today we are cooking sour and salty asparagus in 2 minutes. So let's get started. To cook sour and salty asparagus, we have taken 1 lb of asparagus and we have taken out the lower part of the asparagus. So you can chop the lower part with a knife or you can do it manually. Now take around 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Spread it well in the pan. And now keep the flame on high and put all the asparagus. Add the salt as per your taste. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Stir it well. Roast it on high flame for 2 minutes. Your asparagus will be done. It's been 2 minutes and we have been cooking our asparagus on a high flame and they are done. So now at this point we will be adding the juice of half a lemon to the asparagus. As soon as you add the juice, just stir it well and turn off the flame. So now we can serve our asparagus. They are ready to serve. So our sour and salty asparagus is ready. And we have cooked it in just 2 minutes, and it's really healthy snack. You can enjoy it any time of the day.